I'm back to learn CapCut in the year day 29. Let me show you how we can create a freeze frame. Got a simple clip right here. So there's a lot of movement in the stars and the sky. And you can find the freeze option right there. But be careful, when you have nothing selected in your timeline, this will vanish. So just make sure, if you can't see it, to select a video clip, maybe at this position, and hover over this icon, use the freeze option. And there you go, it creates a freeze frame, puts it in that position automatically. By default, it's only 3 seconds long. You can see it, we've got movement in the sky, then a freeze frame freezes the movement, and then we have a video clip again. If you want to adjust the duration, you can easily hover over the edge of this element and then left click drag. You can make that longer to the right or shorter to the left. Let me try to get to exactly 10 seconds. You can see the number at the top where it says freeze. This is the duration of this element. Around 10, I'm good. One more thing to add, you cannot see this option either when you have an image selected. So in this case, the freeze frame is an image, and therefore we can't freeze it again. So it's only available on video files. And this is how you can create a freeze frame in CapCut. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.